If you work with long tables in LibreOffice Writer, there's one small formatting trick that can save you a lot of time and make your document much easier to read. In this video, I'm going to show you how to repeat table header rows in LibreOffice Writer so your column headings appear on every page automatically. This is perfect for reports, forms, lists, invoices, and any document where a table continues across multiple pages. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides. Let's jump right in. First, open LibreOffice. If you're starting from scratch, look on the left side under Create and click Write a Document. If you already have a document open, you can use that one instead. The process works the same either way. Now find the table you want to work with. The key step here is selecting the first row of the table, because that row will become the header row that repeats on every page. Make sure you click inside the first row and highlight it properly so LibreOffice knows which row you want to treat as the heading. Once the first row is selected, right-click the table. A context menu will appear with several options. From that menu, click Table Properties. This is where LibreOffice lets you change how the table behaves and displays throughout the document. Inside the Table Properties window, look for the option called Repeat Heading. This setting tells LibreOffice to repeat the selected header row whenever the table continues onto a new page. Go ahead and enable Repeat Heading. If your version of LibreOffice shows a slightly different layout, the option may still be in the same table settings area, so just look carefully for the heading repeat setting. After you've turned it on, click OK to save your changes. That's it. LibreOffice Writer will now repeat the table header row on each page wherever the table breaks across pages. This makes your document much cleaner and easier for readers to follow, especially when they're scanning large tables. If you want to double check that it worked, scroll through the document and look at the next page of the table. You should see the same header row appear again at the top. That way, anyone reading the document will always know what each column means, even if they're on page 2, page 3, or beyond. This is a really useful feature if you create professional documents regularly, and it's one of those little formatting tools that can make a big difference in presentation. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more quick LibreOffice tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.